fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome to our video. Today we're diving into the world of culinary creativity with an exciting exploration of turkey and zucchini dishes. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 lb ground turkey, 2 medium zucchinis diced and half onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced and half cup grated Parmesan cheese and half cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves for garnish optional. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add ground turkey and cook until it's no longer pink. Add chopped onion and minced garlic and saute until they're translucent. Stir in diced zucchini and cook until tender. Pour in the heavy cream and grated Parmesan cheese and cook until the sauce thickens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Garnish with fresh basil leaves before serving. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.